Hello guys, welcome to my channel Automate with Learning. So today we are going to create one library project and we'll utilize this in our project. Okay. So for creating the library, I already explained in my previous video, but I will recap previous things. So only just you need to select this library as a project and then create the project. Once you will create the project, then you will see this kind of the layout. There you need to rename your activity name, because whatever name you will give this, and you will be able to see in your project when you are accessing this activity. Okay, so the name which you have provided here, right, the same name you will get as a activity name. Okay, so I have given the first activity, and inside the first activity I have taken one message box and one log message. So I'm publishing this to my local as a package, and later I can get this in my project. Okay, so my step is to publish this. Okay, so I'm publishing this. So I already published this earlier. So if you see here, like current version is 1.0.2 and new version is 1.0.3. So I'm publishing in the new version. So once you will publish this, you will be able to see this into perspective folder. So there you will get new get package with the version. It is compiling our activity which we have taken here. After the compilation, it will publish all the dependencies which is required for this library project. I have taken very small example, but if you have any requirement to create complex, then you can do the coding stuff here and then publish it as a library. It's already published, right? So you have seen the location also where it gets published, right? So you can go to the project and then file explorer. You will be able to see the package which we have published. So we have published 1.0.3, right? So it is the new version which we have published. Okay, so now what you need to do, you need to create one blank project. So go to the start and select this process and create the project. I already created that. So if you see here, I have created the project which is blank right now. Okay, so your first step would be, like, you have to go to the manage package, and inside the manage package, this is the filter option which you need to be select as a library only. Okay, once you will select this is library only, then go to this setting and add your package name here. I already given the name of package like Vishwa. So if you see here, right, so I have given the Vishwa, and like, see, you can see it here, Vishwa 1 I'm giving now and updating this. Okay, because my folder location will be this where I have published our package, right? So I'm giving the same location here to access my package, and I have added this, and I will click on cancel now. Now again go to this package, manage package, and select your Vishwa folder where you have that package. If you see here, the latest package is 1.0.3, right? Once you will click on this, you will be get the option like how many package will be there, right? 1.0.1 we already have, and this, but we are going to be work on the latest one which we have published. Okay, so we'll select the latest package and install this. Once you will click on install, it will installing your package into your activity panel. Then once you will install, you can save it. Once you will click on the save button, it will restore the all dependencies which is required, and it will pull into activity panel. Just wait for some second. It will pulling all the dependencies, and then you will be able to see the activity which we have created in our library project, right? So now you can go to this activity and type your library demo name. So if you see here, right, we have given the our activity name is first activity, right? And library demo, you have given the project name. Okay, so it is coming here. So you can drag and drop into here, and once you will drag and drop this activity, you are free to use this in our project. So I'm checking this like it's working or not. So I'm clicking on debugging. So our so our so our expectation is like in the library project we have given two things, right? One is our message, and second one is the info log, which we are able to see in our output panel, right? So if we get the message and this info log, so it is starting debugging this because earlier it is compiling this code. There is no error. So we got our output as a message box, and then second activity which we have taken there as a logging message. Then see here, hello, welcome to my channel. Please like and subscribe to Automate with Learning. Okay, so we got this message also. So if you like my video, please subscribe. I will prepare some more videos, and in my next session, I will discuss the document understanding, which is the new features UiPath have provided you. Thank you. Thank you very much for joining this session.